Now we move on to the strap. First, lay the bag flat and align both sides evenly. Then find the middle and place stitch markers on both sides of the bag opening like this. With a total of 34 triangles, we'll have 17 triangles on each side. Make sure to double-check this for accuracy. Insert your hook into the top of the first triangle next to the marked position. Pull up a loop and crochet the same way as the body. Continue working until you reach the marked position on the other side. I've now reached the second to last triangle. Now I'll make one more triangle as usual. Then work one single crochet into the top of the last triangle next to the marked position. For the first row of the strap, we have a total of 16 triangles. To begin row 2, turn your work and make 2 slip stitches to reach the top of the triangle. Then continue crocheting as usual until you reach the last triangle of the previous row. When you reach the last triangle, make one single crochet into the top of it, just like the previous row. Then turn and continue with the next row. With each row, the number of triangles will decrease by 1. Keep repeating until you have 3 triangles left in a row. I've completed 12 rows of the strap and there are 3 triangles left in one row. Now make one single crochet to close this row. Then turn your work to begin the next section. First, make 2 slip stitches and chain 3. Then work one single crochet into the top of the next triangle. Chain 3 again, and make one single crochet into the top of the last triangle. Turn your work. Chain 3. Then make 3 double crochets into the space between the 2 triangles. Next, make 1 double crochet into the stitch at the top of the triangle. Continue with 3 double crochets into the space between the 2 triangles. Finally, make 1 double crochet into the top of the last triangle. For this row, including the chain 3, you'll have a total of 9 double crochets. Continue to the next row by chaining 3 and turning. Work 1 double crochet into each stitch across for the next 8 stitches. Repeat the same process for the following rows. Continue until you have 10 rows of double crochets. Then repeat the same steps for the strap on the other side. I've finished crocheting both sides of the strap. On one side, I left a yarn tail about 4 inches long. And on the other side, I left a longer tail to join the 2 strap ends together. Place the 2 ends of the strap parallel to each other like this. Insert the needle under a stitch, then insert it under the corresponding stitch on the other side. Pull the yarn through. Continue joining the next stitches in the same way. When you reach the end, make 2 knots to secure the seam so it won't come undone. Then gently weave in the loose yarn ends to keep everything nice and neat. Repeat the same steps for the remaining yarn tails. And that's it! Your crochet mesh bag is all finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. This bag is so lightweight and perfect for everyday use or summer days. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support my channel. And feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.